The average professional loses about a quarter of their workday to avoidable tasks. Things like rework, unclear communication, or trying to figure out what they meant to do next. That's 10 plus hours a week. And if you're a leader or business owner, that's time you cannot afford to lose. I'm Kristina Proctor, an executive coach, and I'm hosting 2 hands-on leadership workshops right here in Haywood County this October and November. These are not lectures. They're implementation sessions. You'll build your systems right there in the room. Dashboards, delegation protocols, and templates you'll actually use Monday morning. We'll troubleshoot together and put you on a path to success. October 25th is all about optimizing your focus and workflow. November 8th is all about communication and delegation, so your team can move forward without bottlenecks. These sessions have already helped organizations like UPM Raffle-Tac and Mills River. They've helped them build stronger, more sustainable leadership systems. And half of every ticket supports Haywood Pathways Center, helping local families rebuild stability right here in Haywood County. Seats are limited, so grab your spot now. Invest in your leadership, invest in your community.